We will continue today with our Microsoft Word tutorial. We have a Word file with information from Wikipedia about Word. By clicking on Insert and then Pages. Here, there is a page break and a blank page. We will explain the difference between them shortly. For example, here's a Word file like this. Instead of pressing Enter multiple times to insert blank lines, we go to the last line, then click Pages and Page Break. A blank break will be inserted at the end. As for the empty page, we place the cursor anywhere, then click Pages and Blank Page. A complete blank page will be inserted. Since we were in the middle of the page, a page break was added first. Then a blank page. To create a cover for the document, click Pages and then Cover Page. Several ready-made covers will appear for you to choose from. For example, by clicking on one like this. Notice that the remaining pages of the Word file have sequential numbering. But the cover page is not numbered. Page numbering starts after the cover. We can edit the selected cover. For example, change the default title to the company name. Also, change the default date. And change or delete the subtitle. You can also rearrange the cover components. Sometimes we want to create our own cover. To do that, click Insert, then Pages, and then Cover Page. Here, to remove the cover, click Remove Current Cover Page. Click Pages, then Blank Page. For example, click Shapes and select a circle. Click Shape Effects and choose one of the effects. Click Text Effects and insert one of the effects. For example, change the text to the company name. Click the Shape Fill to choose a background color for the text. Click Bold for the font. Click Shapes and select another shape. Then insert it on the page like this. Click Format and choose a shape style. Click Text box to insert text with a specific format. Reorganize the shape and text like this. Change the text to data about the file for. If we want this cover to be available when creating any file, select all shapes and text by clicking on them while holding Ctrl. Then click Insert, Pages, and Cover Page. Then save selection to Cover Page Gallery. Then type, for example, my cover and click OK. When opening any Word file, by clicking on Insert, then Pages, and Cover Page. At the bottom you will find the name of the created cover, and by clicking on it, the cover will be inserted and can be used in any Word file. This saves time and effort in creating a cover every time. As for inserting tables, it will be explained in the next video. Often in tables, we need to create a sequence. As we know, this is easily done in Excel. Similarly, in Word, there is a simple way to create a sequence in a table. Select the column where you want to insert the sequence. Then click Numbering and choose any numeric sequence. You will notice that a sequence has been created with the chosen format. By selecting a row, right-clicking, and choosing Delete Rows, you will see that the sequence remains intact. Also, if we add any row, and the sequence could be alphabetical or any other sequence. For example, here, you can choose alphabetical letters as the sequence, and notice that when choosing numbers as the sequence, it adds a dot next to the number. If you want to change the format to remove the dot for numbers, click Define New Number Format, then delete the dot in the number format and click OK. You can also change the starting point of the sequence, not just starting from 1. This is useful when there are multiple tables with the same sequence. For example, if you want the sequence to start from 50, right-click at the first number, then choose Set Numbering Value. Change the value here to 50, then click OK. You will notice the sequence starting from 50. We will continue in the upcoming videos. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe. For more, visit us at Fair Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.